Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to change font size in Discord. So you need to go to user settings and down here into appearance. Now maybe it's hurting your eyes or something. So here you have two presets. Cozy, modern, beautiful and easy on your eyes. It's pretty much the default one. And you have this one, compact, fit more messages on screen at one time. Well, it's more compact, I guess. So as you can see, it's different. Maybe some people like it more because it's different. And yeah, it's more compact, easy going on your eyes, I guess. I'm sorry, the other option was easy going on your eyes. Now, you can also customize this yourself. For example, let's put everything on max. Well, as you can see, this is now how it looks. Yeah, it's really confusing and easy to get lost, at least for me right now, because there's not really much space. But you can customize it always if you want. It doesn't have to be like this. Maybe you can put it like this. You can put it like this. But yeah, if you get lost, if you ever get lost while changing this, the green number is the number you were at first. But anyhow, guys, it's that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. If you like this video, please leave a like. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.